In QGIS, we often work with a layer and a base map. Sometimes when the layer has a solid fill color, we cannot see what's underneath it, like basemap or other layers. To view both the shape and the background together, we usually reduce the layer's opacity or increase its transparency. Normally we do this by going to Layer Properties Symbology and then opacity. We can reduce the opacity here and apply and close. We need to deselect this. Now we can see what's underneath the layer. However, that's not very convenient because every time we make a change, we need to click apply to see the result. There's no live preview. Luckily, there's a simple solution. We can use a plugin that allows real-time transparency adjustment. Let's reset the transparency. Go to properties and reset it. Apply. Okay. Now let's see how to use the plugin. Select the layer which you want to change the transparency for and go to the tool. Check on the live preview and increase the transparency. Now you can see the live preview, which is very convenient. Let's click OK. Here's how to install it. Go to plugins menu, click manage and install plugins. In the search box, type transparency. You will find a plugin called Set Layer Transparency. Click on that and install it. Once installed, open the tool, check on live preview and then adjust the transparency slider. You will instantly see the changes on your map. No need to reopen the properties window each time. That's it. Thanks for watching.